How to fix TikTok stop not showing. So you might be facing this issue because your application is not up to date. So in order to check it out, head over to your app store and then in the source bar, search for TikTok. Head over to this app. Right here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date and it might be one of the reasons that you are having this issue. In this case, what you have to do is simply tap on update and update your app to the latest version. Once your application is up to date, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of your device. Inside settings, move into general and then head over to iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application TikTok and then move into it. Click on offload app and then once again click on offload app. It means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing on TikTok. But if you are still having the issue, the next thing you want to do is uninstall the app and then install it again. Reinstalling the app will definitely help you out. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix TikTok stop not showing. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.